Right then, just before we start this week's video, I'd like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. I'd also like just to take 2 seconds just to thank the people who've subscribed to the channel this week. Welcome aboard, welcome to our journey. So the video this week then, guys, I'm going to continue trying to put those Saab seats in. Passenger seat's going to go on that swivel that we had when we bought the van. Driver's seat's got to be secured in. Hopefully that goes trouble free, but you never know. We'll always unearth problems with these old vans. If that goes well, hopefully take her out for a drive. She's been sat for 2 or 3 weeks around the back where I'm working on her, so hopefully we can take her out for a drive once the seats are in. If you like the content, guys, just please, and you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button. Plenty more videos to come. We bought Polly Gray to do her up as a camper van, not a show camper van, but a camper van that me and the wife and the family can travel in and travel across Europe in. Bought her as a, well, half decent, I suppose half decent condition, although we've probably underestimated how much work's got to go into her. But I'm going to put a video on every week of my progress. I'm going to need your guys' help for tips and help along the way. Just a little bit of my background. I used to paint cars, so bodywork wise I can give people advice on. It's what I used to do for a living: alloy wheel repairs, anything, seats, dash. I can do how-to videos on that if that interests people. The only thing I'm going to need help on is mechanical stuff. I've never done not done much mechanical stuff, hence the reason I thought it'd be a good idea to buy an old van so I could work on it myself. We'll see how that goes. So guys, yeah, again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. There'll be plenty more to come. Thank you. Right then, guys, job for today is, well, job for the weekend probably, depending on how long I've got, is trying to fit that swivel base to the new passenger side front seat. This one has been welded on, as you can probably see. So my first job is to split the old swivel base from the old chairs. I'm not going to film me doing that, but I'll hopefully put a quick couple of pictures on once I've finished. Okay, so I've split the base from the chair, as you can see. It was in quite bad condition with all the welds on, so taking it off, I ground all the welds off to try and make it look fairly decent. Mark there where you can see the holes for the new seat rail. So all there's left to do now, I'll give it a quick coat of black hammerite. As you can see, I also just put a black hammerite there where I'd welded, just to protect that metal there. So all there's left to do now, hopefully, is just to install it. Swivel seats in, as you can see. I quite like that, actually. I had a bit of a worry. I'll just pop outside. I had a bit of a worry that there was a bit large. The seats are big, but what I was thinking is, because we're going to use it for camping, that'll be nice when you're sitting there of an evening. A swivel round. Driver seats, that's what I'm going to do next. Got to take the old rails off and fit that new seat, obviously, because that hasn't got the swivel base on. Will sit a lot lower than the passenger seat. That's the only thing. The passenger seat with that swivel base is the only thing that's putting me off being so tall. Whether there's any different swivel bases on the market that are better than that. That was the one that come with the van. I don't know how old that is. You can pop them in the comments if anyone knows or have any different makes or models. But I'll turn it around the opposite way so you can see. Yeah, that's it. Swivel around the opposite direction. So I quite like them. I think they'll I think they'll look quite nice when I'm going to spray paint all these black to match. The door cards, I'm going to go with a black carpet, I believe, because the van's going to be grey. Just going to fit that driver's side seating in a sec. I'll get back to you, show you how I'm getting on. Both seats are in, as you can see. The driver's seat was easier to put in than the passenger, obviously, because he hasn't got the swivel base. So that's in nice and secure. Next job's possibly inside really now. So everything that's red I'm gonna paint. If you can see, if you just get in on the dash, there was holes in the dash where various things have been fitted in the past. I'll do a how-to video on there. I don't know if that'd be any interest to anyone, but I'm a body repairer and painter by trade, so I filled those with fiberglass, and what I'm going to do is put some texture on the dash and then paint so you won't see those holes again, and just cover those up. And that's something I can show you what to do. That's something that I know quite a lot about, paintwork. The rest, probably like the rest of you people, enthusiasts with V-dubs and everything else, I'm just learning from YouTube channels myself. So yeah, that'll be coming. I don't know whether I'll be doing any more this weekend. It's coming up to New Year, so if not, I'll see you soon.